everyone, welcome back to my daily English practice series. I am Yasmin and I am on a journey to become very fluent in speaking in English. I started this journey few days ago and this is my day 11 of practice. I practice every single day and this is my day 11 of practice. And I share my progress with you guys because I really want to help others who also want to become very fluent in speaking in English. And as I told you before, I am a beginner and I really get nervous while speaking in public place or especially in front of camera. And as a small YouTuber, I really have to improve this and I really want to boost my confidence. That's why I'm doing this. And if you are a beginner and you also want to become very fluent, you have to watch this video because I want to tell you the most important thing and I'm sure it will work for you. So most important thing, I'm telling you my story. Like I used to watch a lot of videos. I was thinking for the very first time, I really don't have that much vocabulary. I really don't know the grammar. So how can I speak? But something I realized, all of those things are really important, but most of the people, I know a lot of people, like they know the proper grammar, they have a lot of vocabulary, but they can't speak. Why? Because they really don't have that much confidence. Like they always used to think, what if I am speaking in front of someone and I'm making a lot of mistakes, so what they will think. And that's why they never practice and they never speak, and that's why things never changes. So I am telling you, if you really want to become very fluent in speaking in English, you have to do one thing. Like this is the most easiest thing, and instead of doing all of those, you have to do this thing. Like you have to practice. Like if you really want to become very fluent, you have to practice. And if you think like I can't speak like 4 minutes or 5 minutes, so what's wrong? If you are a beginner, so if you can speak in front of anyone 2 minutes or 3 minutes, this is enough. So please start practice. And I'm telling you, I'm from a village and I really don't have anyone whom I can practice, but I decided I have to do anyhow. So I decided to open my camera and I'm telling you in front of this. So you can do this thing also. Like if you really don't have anyone, you can do one thing. Like if you were alone, you can talk by yourself or in front of camera, or in front of mirror. It will work because this is really working for me, so I hope it will work you for too. And it will really help you because you will feel more confidence, and when you will become more confident, you can speak in public place or you can talk with anyone. So most important thing, you have to practice every single day. This is the thing and it will really work. So I am telling you, do this instead of wasting a lot of time. And if you start doing this, you can really collect all of those vocabulary and you will learn about how to use those. And if you hear me, I really don't have any accent, so I will try to work on this. And I am making a lot of mistake, but first of all, I really need to improve my confidence. That's why I really working on this and I am just speaking anyhow. That's why. So if you really want to become very fluent, you have to do the same thing. First of all, you have to build that confidence. Like, and I was thinking, what if I am making a lot of videos, what if I am making a lot of mistake, and what will people think? But you guys are really supportive, I know, and that's why I'm making. And I really want to share my everyday progress with you guys. And I just want to tell you one thing. Thank you so much for watching all of my those videos. And really some of the people really commented on my videos and they really supported me. So this is so good for me, and thank you so much. I will try to post every single day, and I will post tomorrow again. So bye everyone, be careful, stay happy, bye.